How's it going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Enoylity Technology, your best place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is the Lytmi Neo HDMI 2 sync box. This is a RGB light strip which is attached at the back of your TV or monitor, which syncs with whatever is displaying on your screen, which will in return give you an immersive lighting experience. But before going further in this video, do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss such tech reviews. So this is how it really gives you the lighting condition, which indeed looks very cool. Let's first see what we get inside the box. We get the sync box with the power adapter, HDMI 2 cable, 4 corner brackets, 6 straight brackets, a user manual and 2 LED light strip. Talking about the build quality of the LED strip, it is greatly better than a normal LED strip we found in the market. It is protected by a thick layer of TPU housing. This is how the sync box looks like. It has a branding on the top. And talking about the ports, it has HDMI in and out ports, 2 USB slots for connecting the light strips, a reset key and a DC power in port. At the bottom side, we have the silicone pads for better grip on the surface. In the front, we have LED indicators for power status, mode status and network status. Apart from this, check your monitor or TV size before ordering it. It comes in 3 different sizes, up to 65 inch, 66 to 90 inch and 91 to 120 inch. Installation process is very simple. First, stick the corner brackets and the straight brackets according to the position given in the user manual. Then put the LED into the bracket correctly. Cut down the excessive strips so they don't overlap, and just make sure that you are cutting from designated marks given on the LED strip. Then connect the given HDMI cord to the monitor or TV and the other end to the HDMI sync box. Afterwards, connect the side and the bottom LED USB ports correctly, and at the last, give a power supply. Keep in mind one thing, that you have to use both LED strips so it can connect to the HDMI sync box, which will allow it to pair to the Lytmi app. To see what this light strip really offers, you need to download the Lytmi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure you have powered on the light strip before opening up the app. Open up the app, register with your mail ID. So here on the home page, you will see 3 different modes: weak, normal and high. This is basically how you want to see the lighting to change for what is going on the screen. This is set to normal, but if you think the light is changing very fast, you can switch to weak mode, which will smoothly change the color. In the other sections, we have plenty of presets, and the rest of the modes you can customize it according to the colors you want. You can also set timer or even control the brightness of the LED strip. Here we get the music mode, to which the LED will light according to the music being played on the screen or the sound in the room. You can see more new effects like spectrum electronic, which is really cool feature for party or setting up the mood of the room. Best feature is the screen mode, where it will sync the color of the video which is being displayed on the screen. It looks more immersive experience while watching movie or playing games or listening to music. So I found the color performance to be very accurate. Let's see what it more offers. The best thing is it is compatible with 4K 60Hz, Dolby Vision and HDR+, and in fact it can process 500 pixel dots and can apply to the light strip with RGB LED to ensure vibrant color in sync mode. You can also control the light strip using your Google Home or Alexa, which is very convenient. I am very well impressed with the color accuracy, saturation, brightness, everything. So this was all about the Lytmi Neo HDMI 2 sync box. I hope you like this video. If so, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your loved ones. This is Enoylity Technology and I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.